Did you like it?
Very good.
Yeah? Better than sushi? Let's get to work. We're off to surprise some fans with the help from my Dia.
So we're going to give them some proper Manchester football food.
Lads, do you like chips and gravy or are you more of a curry sauce man?
Honestly, I don't know. I haven't had it ever since I came.
Oh, and today's the day.
Maybe I have to try it out. Where are we going?
This way. Collie wants one as well. And Erling, please.
I can't have that on.
Why not?
Because my hair, I can't. It doesn't fit.
Is this how you do it? Is it heavy?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You ready? Ready for this? You hungry?
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, let's go, let's eat. What would you like? Pie and chips? Yeah. No problem.
Here you go.
What would you like to eat?
What do you want?
Chips and gravy.
There you go, mate. No problem.
Oh yes. Should we put it? No, you grab it, lad. You do it. That's your bit.
The pie, no? There you go. No problem.
No, Cole. Go. Leave it in the pot.
Enjoy. Did you like it? Yeah? Better than sushi?
No more chips and gravy.
Hey guys, did you enjoy it?
Are they hot?
Good. Thank you. El,
Ask them if they want a brew.
do you want any brew?
You've got arms as well. You're welcome, mate.
Enjoy it.
You're welcome.
So John, how would you like your brew?
I like a bit milky, Collie.
Yeah?
John's a D one.
Yeah, mate. It's alright, to be fair. There you go, mate.
まさか選手に会えるとは思わなかったので本当に夢のようでした。
本当にかっこよかったです。はいはい、皆さんありがとうございました。ご飯美味しい。
Mike.
My dear, make yourself at home.